This is my X1 Super Pocket bike, and it's jacked up. Sorry. It used to be black and blue. It was nice though, but then it got jacked up. No kickstand. The kickstand's supposed to be there. The pull start's broken. I need a new pull starter. These are the pegs. I customized this, but I didn't. I just messed up, so I got mad and did gold and white and blue. It ran out. It got a couple scratches on it. Yes, and I'm giving this to my cousin. He's gonna spray paint it black and blue. I mean black and red. This is the comfortable seat. I like the seat. It's so realistic. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of big. So, yep. This is it. This is the muffler, exhaust. This is the fairing, the wheel fairing, whatever that is. These are the wires. They're all broke, like cut. Another peg. The chain. So far, I have 2 pocket bikes, but now I got one because I'll give this to my cousin. This is part of the front fairing right here. It came off, and this is the gas tank cover. It's not right. See, it's not in there. Like, it's loose. It doesn't have the pieces to it. See, it ripped off. It has a gas tank, the wires, just the gas tank cover. This is a throttle. This thing can go up to 49 miles an hour or 50, like my mini one. I never went full speed on this, but the speedometer's gone. I took out the fairing. This is the front fairing for the wheel. This is part of the front fairing. This thing hooks to the fairing with the lights. And this is what it looks like when you sit on it. Pull the throttle, and it starts to go. Right brake is front brake. It's front brake. Left brake is back brake. So, it has the, see, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but that wire's cut off. Wait, let me see. See that right here? This is part of the wire for electric start, and it goes all the way to the pull start. And that was connected to this electric start. And it has a horn, the lights, but they don't work because the wires are cut. The tires, they're pretty good. This one too. What is it? Okay, the motor. I'll show you the choke right now. The choke is right here. Right here. See, I don't know if you can see that, but right, that bubble right here. You go 7 times. And then you go to this. This is the choke, but the cover of the choke is not on. Okay, this is off, on, pull start, whatever. But this thing is off. And kickstand is gone. I had a broken kickstand. It wasn't good. So, subscribe please. And thanks for watching.